Hello and welcome to episode 11 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. As you can see, we've got some updates here. Let's go. We're going to start from the bottom. As you can see here, look at that. We have stairs. We're going to walk over here. We also have a patio. So excited about this patio. This goes across the back part of the house, like I talked about. You know, the back span that I kept messing up. And what I do love about this is that it's got 2 steps down. You know, we talked to them about we're gonna have to have 2 steps down, but it goes all the way across, which I love that better than, you know, just like a step here, a step there. This is much better with it going all the way around. It's like a stair skirt, if you want to call it that. Not much has happened over here. Oh, well, we do have electrical. Electrician came in and he has installed outlets and lights. Oh, there went a birdie. And they put a wall up here. This is going to support when we knock that wall out. We have the beam up there. And I believe they're going to be doing that this week. I know I said that last time, which was 2 weeks ago. Things change. Plans change. If you've ever done a renovation, especially a large one like this one, things change on a regular basis. So we'll go back around here. We'll take you up the stairs. Whoop. There's a wasp. They're all over the place. It is that time of the year. Wasp season. So we'll go up the stairs. Yesterday I had the pleasant experience of rolling my ankle whenever I stepped off the bottom of these stairs, and I sprained it. It's the same ankle that I have sprained 3 times before this. So at least I kind of know what to do this time around. I'm an expert at spraining my left ankle. Okay, so we have our stairs. We have boards here still. They are done in there. We've actually got some trim paint and primer done in there. We're gonna have the carpet installed tomorrow. Oh, look at this. My little helper.
Hello.
Hey, Bubba. Hey. Stay right there, wait for Daddy. Stay right there, wait for Daddy. Okay. Around here, we do have some of the decking. They started on that yesterday. So we have a section over here that is finished. Look down, don't fall. Okay. Whew, made it to the safe part. All right, so there were some changes from the last video here. Originally, this bathroom, when we put it together, it looked bigger on paper than we thought. But then when they built everything up, the master bathroom was tiny. So we reconfigured some things. It's gonna be bigger now. There's gonna be like 8-foot long counter right here with double sinks. The shower will be right here. I have a bench. And then there's the toilet. We had to move some stuff around for the HVAC to go into the walls. We lost that walk-in closet that was right here, but we moved it. There was a regular closet over here, but we expanded that back. This is gonna be our walk-in closet, and this is a pretty good size. So at least we didn't lose a walk-in closet. It's not a master bedroom without a decent closet and bathroom, right? And then here is the laundry room that stayed the same. And since we had to bust into this other closet over here, take that over, expanded this wall out just a little bit so that that's a straight line right there. Moves the closet to here, right next to the Jack and Jill bathroom. That cut into the actual toilet part first, because we'll have the sinks right here. Cut into the toilet part a little bit, but there's still enough room for a tub and a toilet in there, so we'll still have plenty of space. But that is the update. Electrical is done up here as well. I think he was coming back tomorrow to finish up on a few little things. But overall, that is rolling. Trying to think if there's anything else that we've had going on this week. I don't believe that's it, but it's going to be fantastic when the rest of the deck is finished and we can start using this space to come outside, especially since we're quarantined. And then once the frog is finished, my husband can get his office back, and then things will be even better being quarantined. So this is our update. We'll see you next time.